It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another internet tutorial about Alipay. And in today's video, I'm going to explain some things to you. If your passport on Alipay is expired, and most especially if you use someone's passport to verify the Alipay account, what you need to do in order to fix this particular issue without any stress in Alipay. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business or Alipay related topic, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay. So with that being said, let me show you how. All right, so recently someone contacted me from my WhatsApp, just like how every other person does. And this is the question about what the people ask me about their Alipay verification issue as far as passport expire is concerned, and at the same time they use someone else to verify their Alipay account. So I'm going to put the question right here so everyone can see the question, then while I address the issue about the question. Now the question states further, I have a question please. If you have fund in your Alipay, can you change the international passport you use to verify it? The passport has expired and the owner have not renewed it. And the Alipay wants you to verify your account. Can I change the passport? Now, what this simply means is that this person here have an Alipay account that has been verified, but the verification passport is not the account owner. And this is common within people that does not have international passport to verify their Alipay account. I've made a video about it in the past, which allow you to use other people's passports to verify your Alipay account. But if you have issue like this, then what you need to do is to make sure that you tell the person to renew their passport and collect the same data page to verify your Alipay account, because each time your passport expires in Alipay account, Alipay will ask you to verify the account because they know when your passport is going to be expired. Whether it is your passport or you use somebody else's passport, they will always ask you, they will always contact you once the passport expires. Now, if you are fall in this category of this particular persons right here, you use somebody else to verify your Alipay, you use somebody else's international passport to verify your Alipay account, and you have issues like this. If the person have not renewed their passport, and it simply means that their Alipay account is in danger, you cannot use it. Now, what you will need to do in this category is that make sure you transfer whatever fund or whatever money you have in that Alipay account to another verified Alipay account. Once you transfer the fund, just delete the account or wait until the person verifies the account, because a first flag of verification of your Alipay account still allow you to receive the fund into the account about 500 yuan maximum on a daily basis, and the transaction of 500 yuan maximum on a daily basis. But the second red flag on the account that has been expired or an account that has been asked to verify their identity, second flag is a brutal one, because it will not allow you to receive funds and it will not allow you to make payment again until you provide the passport to verify that account. So in this issue, make sure you transfer the fund from that account to another Alipay that has been verified. Once you transfer the fund, contact the person that you use their passport, tell them to renew the passport. If they are not ready to renew the passport, it is now left to you now to delete that account. Then go ahead and do your international passport, create a new account, verify the new account, return the fund you transfer back into a new account that has been fully verified, then continue to enjoy your Alipay. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay, if you have any question related as far as Alipay is concerned, put the question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.